When repairing a bumper, there's a 4-stage process that we follow. The first process is the prep process. Prepping is a really important process in fulfilling a good quality repair. So in the prep process, you're essentially taking off any waxes, any grease that may be on the bumper. Then you follow it up with taping off your area so you don't get overspray on the rest of the car. The next step is actually addressing the damage on the car. So this may require anything from just sanding it down smooth to doing minor filler and body work. The third step would be applying the paint. After the paint's applied, then you follow with clear coat, and we follow a 3-stage process when it comes to that, which is going to be your base coat, your paint, and your clear coat. At the end of every job, we follow up with buffing out the area that we just worked on. This is important in bringing back the factory shine to your new repair.